Hello friends, my name is Pawan Dakal and I am into the 19th day of my one funnel away challenge, and today in this video we'll talk about sales funnel for real estate agents that is extremely good and can help you to generate maximum lead in your real estate business. So if you don't know about one funnel away challenge, then this is a 30 days training from the co-founder of Clickfunnels, Russell Brunson, and his team. It is also a signature program of Clickfunnels that will guide you to build your funnel and everything you need, okay, to drive traffic, to capture lead by offering something for free, those kind of stuff, and various elements that are used inside the funnel. This training will teach you everything about those things. And if you want to join this training, I'll leave the link in the description of this video. You can see their official page and think about it if you want to join. So now let's start to our main topic, and that is sales funnel for our real estate agents. So basically, to get a sales funnel for real estate agent, firstly you need to sign up for this 14 days free trial. It is free, you will not have to pay anything, but it will require your credit card info so that you can make an free trial account inside Clickfunnels, and it will be free for 14 days. You can learn about various things in their homepage. I'll also leave the link of this official page of Clickfunnels where you can sign up for 14 days trial. It will be in the description of this video. And once you make an account on Clickfunnels, then what you can do, I'll also leave the link of this page where you can see in episode 62. okay, you should remember. If you forgot about at which episode, then what you can do is, after visiting to this page, there's the link in the description of this video, simply hit Ctrl F, and then what you can do is just write 62 and it will be highlighted, and it is, so if I need to see 45th episode, then I can type 45 and here I will see home security funnel. If I need to see 22, then I can see this. So in same way, what you can do is just type Ctrl F and then come to here and type 62 and and it will be highlighted. And if it is not highlighted, you can simply hit on enter and it would be highlighted. And then here is Realtor lead machine. Okay, after making this Clickfunnels account, so basically after making this Clickfunnels trial account, what you can do is you can come here and just click on this button and your funnel will be directly loaded inside Clickfunnels. But if you are searching for a good funnel and you want to understand on how to properly use this funnel, how to create, how to edit, then what you can do is you can simply come to this, it is a video, and you can click on that and expand it, and then the man himself will be teaching you about this building funnel. And another is our Jim Edwards, who is a pro script writer, and they too will be building this funnel that you are going to get after clicking on this link. So you can watch this, it is like 28 minutes I think, yeah, and you can just watch this video and they will build this funnel in a step-by-step process on whatever element that are used. They will be explaining everything. And as a real estate agent, if you are a real estate agent, then this would be one of the best funnel that you can use. Okay, so if you see everything here, then see this kind of funnel they will be making. I can't show you the full video by playing in here, but it is the process. Okay, so this would be a funnel. This funnel would be look like this, and I think you can even use his video inside your funnel also by just grabbing this funnel by clicking on this link. But make sure you have a Clickfunnels account, otherwise it will not load. I guess I am also taking this one funnel away challenge, and I am learning about various things inside about this share funnel, and every funnel related to every field. As you can see, you can also use other funnel like copywriting, drone funnel, lose weight funnel, and everything have a every funnel have every video have a step-by-step process on building that funnel. And when that funnel is ready, and you can simply click on this link and you can get it inside your Clickfunnels account, and you can also edit by seeing these videos how they are making it. Or if you want to learn everything in details about how to make funnel by yourself and how to drive free and paid traffic into your funnel, then you need to join one funnel of a challenge. It would cost you, I think, $100. Yeah, it have cost me $100, and this is worth watching. Okay, no matter whichever field your business is, in whichever field your business is, this one funnel of a challenge would be eye opener if you are going to use sales funnel for your business. So guys, this much for today, and today is my 19th day, and I haven't watched these videos today. It was a catch-up day, so I'm planning to watch it now after making this video. And I hope this video that I have made today, especially for real estate agents, would have been very helpful for you if you are a real estate agent. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, have a nice day, bye bye.